Ever felt like your Dyson V10 has forgotten how to suck? You switch modes, cross your fingers, and still, that stubborn dust just sits there, mocking you. That Dyson V10 suction problem, often dismissed as a minor annoyance, can be a ticking time bomb. It's usually a sign of a faulty motor struggling to keep up. When that motor is overworked and failing, it's not just about poor cleaning performance anymore. It can lead to internal overheating, short circuits, and in extreme cases, permanent damage to the battery or even a minor electrical fire. But don't toss that Dyson V10 just yet. RoboCare specializes in bringing these amazing machines back to life. At RoboCare, we don't just fix vacuums, we specialize in bringing them back to their original glory. Our certified technicians possess years of dedicated experience with Dyson models, especially the V10. They know the intricate workings of these machines inside and out. We've seen every type of motor fault imaginable and have the know-how to tackle them all. We utilize advanced diagnostic tools to accurately pinpoint the exact cause of your Dyson V10 suction problem, ensuring we address the root issue, not just the symptoms. For a faulty motor, our process involves carefully disassembling your V10, replacing the defective motor with a genuine component, and meticulously reassembling and testing the unit. We ensure every component is functioning perfectly before it leaves our care. But enough talk, let's show you the result. And it's back. Witness the incredible difference. That signature Dyson V10 power, fully restored, making quick work of dirt. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience.
I can't recommend RoboCare enough. If you're having any issues with your Dyson V8, especially if it's completely dead, like mine was due to a faulty battery, don't hesitate. Their expertise, quick service, and convenient options like the courier service are truly exceptional. They saved my Dyson, and they'll save yours too.
Get that satisfying clean back. For this Dyson V10 suction problem or any robot vacuum repair need, trust RoboCare. Visit our website or call us today.